Hello, good afternoon, ohayo gozaimasu, selamat siang. Meet me again with Papa Arfi in channel Noman Badus. Right now, I want to show you how to connect this controller into this Nintendo Switch. This is the version 1 Nintendo Switch. I mean, not this controller. This is the Joy-Con. It already connected into my Switch. This is the original Nintendo Switch, so this is easy. This is the easy way to connect, and it already connect. Not this, what I mean, but another controller like this. Oh, this is the Procon Nintendo Switch. This is the third party, and I guess this is already connected to my Switch. You can easily connect it to just by pressing this pairing button, and then on the screen you just need to pairing the controller. The stick already connected. Okay, this is already connected. Not this, what I mean. This is controller DualShock 4 from PlayStation 4. Okay, from some people like me is more comfortable using this stick. So I want to show you how to connect this PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 to this Nintendo Switch without dongle. Yes, you see it. This is no dongle. So you just pairing this controller into this switch. How is the first one? You need to press this button together, share and PlayStation. Hold it. Press share it first and then hold. Okay, until it blinking. Okay, this is blinking. Then you must move into the change script order. It will be appeared there. Yes, it already appeared there. Great. Now you already connected. Easy, right? It's so easy. Now let's test it. Let's test this button into this control and sensor. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, test input device. Test control button like this. Y, X, A, B, L, R, Z, L, R, L. Okay, this is the best, and this is the plus, and then this is the minus. What I mean, touch button. It's just for screenshot. If you press in this or in this, it also same. This is the screenshot, and this is the home. Okay, this is the home. So this is working perfectly. How about the analog? Let's test it. Okay, with the control stick. Okay, right analog. Wow, this is better, man. This is good. Okay, can play Fortnite or Apex Legend better with this stick than Procon. I don't like the Procon because I don't know why. Just enjoy with this DualShock 4. Okay, but the left analog, it also works perfectly because this stick is original. This is original, man. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Just don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much. See you next time. I will play some games. Okay, dadah, ciao.